Today we're stepping up our breakfast toast game. I'm going to show you two simple recipes that are so delicious, and keyword simple. We're going to start off with our blueberry topping. So I have a really hot pan. I don't need to add oil or anything. I'm just going to throw my blueberries in. And the really important component to breakfast is alcohol. So I'm going to do a little bit of bourbon. Let that cook down. And I'm going to throw in my sugar and vanilla. I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. Right away you could see the liquid from some of the blueberries releasing, and the sugar is going to thicken that up, and we're getting nice smells of that bourbon whiskey. While that cooks down, I'm going to add my lemon juice and zest, and a couple pinches of salt. Whenever we're doing something sweet, you want to add a little bit of salt. Just helps out with the flavor. And what we're going to do with this is just let it cook. It's going to get thick and syrupy. It's okay if some of the blueberries break apart. We want different textures because it's going to go nicely on that breakfast toast. So just let this cook. This looks almost good to go. I want to give it a quick taste. Now you can tell this really got saucy. As it cools, it's gonna get a little bit thicker, but it has nice texture. You can see we still have nice blueberries whole, but they pop. So that's what's gonna happen when you take a bite of these, that pop, like burst of flavor. As this cools, we're gonna move on to our peaches. I have some freshly sliced peaches. I just want to add a little bit of sugar. The sugar is going to help the caramelization process inside of the broiler. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, also helps with caramelization, and a little bit of balsamic, just for extra flavor. Go ahead and give it a toss. This looks nicely mixed. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my rack. The reason why we're using a rack is I want to elevate it away from the bottom of this pan so we get airflow around the peaches. When you have more airflow, it's just more even cooking. All right, let's get these in the broiler. Our peaches are done. I just want to show you how to do toast. I know it seems kind of obvious, but this technique we could do for the broiler, the oven, the barbecue, cast iron pan. I just want to be able to have an even coating of oil, and this brush makes it really easy to do. We have to get both sides. Depending on what apparatus you're going to use. If I do the grill, we slap them on the grill, hot grill, and then rotate them so you get crust on both sides. In the oven, same thing. We're gonna put in the broiler for about 5 minutes total. So after a couple minutes, rotate them and get it to the color that you like. It's really, really quick. This all took 20-25 minutes. The thing is, it wouldn't matter how many pieces we were doing. If we needed a bigger pot for the blueberries, no problem. If we needed to broil some more peaches, no problem. Toast is easy. So that's 20 minutes for 4 people or 20 people. Doesn't really matter. So I want to show you how to finish these off. I have some really good ricotta. Now for the toppings. I want to finish my peaches off with a little bit of local honey and add some pecans. Finish it with a little bit of color, some mint, and there you have it, a simple, elegant breakfast toast in less than 20 minutes. What I really like about recipes like this, super simple, and it doesn't matter if it's a couple people or 10 people, because they're quick, they're easy, and beautiful, not to mention totally delicious. Really good ricotta, nice little blueberries, a pop of little alcohol, zest, and the peaches. Depth of flavor with the balsamic, the honey. It's just all around good stuff, something you should definitely try at home.